Hi there, it's Jill Blanchett with Green Thumb Stampers. It's Friday, that means Finally Friday video. This week I am going to go over my samples that I made for my upcoming puffy sticker shoebox swap. And what that means is we got these stickers from the Dollar Tree and each of us created a card from a row of stickers. I think there's 6 of us participating, so I had some extra packs of stickers, so I went through and I made some extra samples. If we have time, we can get to them. If we don't, well, we'll save them for another day when the girls come over and we get a chance to put them together. But for now, I want to get to the video and show you the samples that I created. It's just an out-of-the-box week, just another way for you to, if you're perusing the aisles of the Dollar Tree and you go by the stickers for $1, you could make, this would make 7 cards if you used 1 row of stickers. And it's just really fun way to jazz up your cards, think out of the box, do something different, and add a new element to your card. So hang on and I'll show you what I came up with. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of my creation, or I made more than one creation with these stickers. Remember, I was going to do a shoebox swap with the puffy stickers from the Dollar Tree. And so everybody coming had a sheet of these, and then we're going to use not more than 1 row of stickers for your card. So let me set those down there. Oh, there's glare on them. I'm not going to leave them there. So just want to show you what I came up with. Just how to think outside the box, you know. We're just trying to shake up and add a little excitement to our stamping adventures, and we thought that this would be a fun way to do it. So I hosted the Puffy Sticker Day. So here's one sample that I came up with. I only used 3 of the stickers, and then I cut them in half, and then I used them again up here because I originally thought this was a little bit large, so on my kits I did cut it down a smidge. But I just used a background stamp with the basic gray and the gray granite to use. I used the textured essentials that I happen to have on hand, and some of the Life is Good. I can't remember, but this paper's still in the catalog. It's just a bunch of different bricks and woods and things, tiles and things. So there was one of my samples that I created. And again, it's just 3 of the puffy stickers that I cut in half and put on the top. Then I came up with a second card. I had some extra packs of stickers and thought I'd make up some extra because we don't have a lot of people that wanted to participate, which saddened me, but you know, it is what it is. So I have some extra packs of stickers, so I made a few extra cards for the girls to make that come. So again, I used 5 of the stickers, and then I used some random designer paper that I had, and this coordinates with the peony set. I can't remember the name of it. It's retired now. I got a silver strip and then just some black designed paper from I think that might be retired too, but if not, it's from the party pack. That's the hostess set right now. But I just went fishing for what I had to help make up the extra designs, and then I added a pop of color with this one. These also are just rectangles. They're 1 1/4 long by 1 inch wide, and then I just put the sticker on there sideways to give the impression that we had notched out the tails of all of those. But rather than not knowing exactly how to be precise for that to fit, I just stuck it on there. So there was my second card that I created, the little pop of color. Then I created this card, and you guys, what I did to find these cards was I Googled or Pinterest searched for tile patterns, because these essentially reminded me of like tiles. that you would put in like a backsplash or something. So I looked for tile patterns, then I Pinterest searched for quilt patterns. What else did I search for? Oh, then I Google searched for inchies. Not Google, I Pinterest searched for inchies. A lot of people, that's a thing, they call them inchies, and they're just like little squares. And so I found some different designs with the inchies. And so here's another card that I came up with. Actually, I did not come up with this design. Somebody else had made this pattern and I copied it for my stickers. But I got 5 puffy stickers on here. Then I found 5, because there's one back here. So I got 1, 2, 3, oh, maybe just 4 different versions of a black and white paper that I had. And then I popped my puffy sticker up on silver. I used the Grassy Grove that's in the mini catalog right now in the basic gray and the gray granite to finish off that card. So there's my third sample that I made. And then I had 1 pack of the blue stickers. The blue stickers look like that. So I had 1 pack of blue stickers, and so I created this card. And I just used a flower set contour. You know, I don't know what the name of it is because I wasn't about going to make a video, so I don't know all the supplies that I had. Oh, I got it right here. Art in Bloom. I do, guys, I did. Because I got everything in a box ready to go. So I do have the name of it. I used the Art in Bloom, and then I used the dies to cut that out, and then through a little bit of help from my creative director, my resident creative director, and one of my remote creative directors, we refinagled and pushed this out and about and showcased off the stickers a little bit with the flower. So that's it. Another version. Finally Friday done. I got my box. I'm ready to go. What did I drop? Oh, I knocked over my lamp. Alright guys, a few choice words were just said. I just knocked the whole box over and down went the cards. Hopefully the pieces and parts didn't fall out and it will be easy enough to put back together. So that's the end of my Finally Friday video for this week, and I don't know what else to say than have a great weekend, guys. I'll be back again next week and get to picking up my mess here.